Alright guys, so far we have created the logo as well, and we have created the complete menu here. But when we completed the menu, we didn't define these pages. So if anyone moves on to this page, for example, about a section or the blog section, there's nothing there. So how we can edit those pages or how we can add elements to that pages, let's see. Let's go back to editor because we are in the preview mode. And from here, if we click on this pages right here, you can see that we can access different pages right here. So we can access the home page. We can access the about us page. So this one is about us page. And as you can see, it has a basic element right here where it says choose your starting point. You can add elements, you can do whatever. So this is basically the section which is created by default. And as you can see, this section is untitled. If you want to duplicate this section, you can just click on this three dots right here and click on duplicate. And there you can add many sections here. Now we will follow the same process as we designed the home page. Similarly, we can design each and every page. It's pretty simple. What you can do is just click on this plus elements right here and go to stripe. And there you can add different stripes just to give you a starting point. You can select classic and select any kind of area. So this will give you a blank canvas to work around. Now, if you want to delete this extra section, you can delete that and that should move up. And now you can adjust it to the full height. Similarly, you can adjust these elements to make sure that it's showing like this. All right, now we can play around. For example, in the elements, we want different kind of stripes. For example, we want to add some of the testimonials here. We can just simply click and it will add some of the testimonials. We can either bring it to the top or you can just delete this one so that it can move up. You can bring to the top manually as well, just like that. And similarly, let's go to the plus elements right here and click on stripes. And here we have all the amazing features that you can use to add different sections to your Wix website. It's that simple. Just drag and drop or just simply click on that and it will be added right away, one after the other. So for example, I want to add the team in the about us section. We can add this. For example, this looks nice. Simply add that and it will be added right away. Now you can simply change the content or you can change the color scheme, whatever you want. Now this is how you can design your about us page. Now I want you to take the inspiration from any kind of website and then you can just follow the patterns on that particular website and try to design that on your own. Now I'm not going to show you each and every element because I want you to practice it on your own. I'll just leave this page at this spot, and in the next video we will see how you can design a contact us page. Although the method is same, but I'll explain you how you can design that. So just practice this by yourself on the about us section and then I'll see you in the next video.